Turn your raw data into useful information with Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a tool that helps you see your data in a new way. It gathers data from different sources and turns it into charts, graphs, and reports that are easier to understand. Why use Power BI? Power BI makes it easier to see what is happening with your data. You can see patterns and find trends that you might not have noticed before. Plus, you can share your findings with others to get their opinions. What are the benefits of Power BI? You can make better decisions based on your data, work with others to find new insights, and also share your results with others. Whether you are a business person, data expert, or a marketer, Power BI is definitely a useful tool for you. How does Power BI make your life easier? Power BI can help with data visualization and data integration. It can even provide real-time data update, ensuring that you have most up-to-date information at your fingertips. With Power BI, you can access reports and dashboards on any device, making it easier to stay on top of your data when you're on the go. And also, you can easily share your data with your colleagues and work together as a team in real time. Elevate your data game to the next level with Power BI.